Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can install Kali Linux in VMware. So let's get started. First of all, you have to download two things. One is VMware and second one is Kali Linux VMware ISO image. So open your browser and type here Kali Linux. Enter. Next official website is open here. Click on this. So you can see that the official website is open here. So very nice interface. So download on click on download button. The different categories is open here, installer image, virtual machine. I will need it this. So click on this. You can see that the virtual machine is for 64-bit, 32-bit. In my case, it is 64-bit. You can download anyone you want. So it is for VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and etc. So I will download this. Click on this. It will start the download. So you can see that the downloading is started. So in my case, I have already downloaded. I will cancel this. So the another one is VMware. So type here VMware. You can see that the VMware official website is appear here. So I will download the VMware workstation player. Click on this. So check the requirement. It is system requirement. So here you can see the download for free. Click on this. You can see that the go to download. Click on this. Now you can see that VMware Workstation 17.5.1 player for Linux, VMware Workstation for Windows 64-bit. I will download it for Windows. So click on download now. So you can see that the download is started. In my case, I have already downloaded. I will cancel this. So you install the VMware virtual machine. I have already installed it. So here it is. I have already installed it. So I will not show you how to install VMware virtual machine because it will take long time. It is very easy. So now I will show you how to open Kali Linux in virtual machine. So I will open my download file. Here you can see the VMware Kali Linux is downloaded here. So extract the file here. Double click on this. So wizard finish. It will extract the file. So you can see that the extraction of Kali Linux is completed. So double click on this. You can see there the file of Kali Linux. So double click on this. It will automatically open with VMware. Here you can see VMware virtual machine configuration. Open this. So okay. This will open Kali Linux in virtual machine. You can see that Kali Linux 2024.1. So power on this virtual machine. You see that it is started. Click on this. You see that the Kali Linux is starting here. So you can see that the by default username is Kali. I will give Kali, and password is also Kali. Enter. You can see that the Kali Linux is open here. It is very nice interface. You see that here you see all tools in this Kali Linux. This is 2024.1 version of Kali Linux. That's all in this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.